Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. This is Ogonwadi. How you doing, guys? Happy new month. Welcome to a brand new month. So today I want to show you how to make a low carb bread, another low carb bread, but this time around we're going to be using coconut flour. This is keto compliant, paleo compliant, vegan compliant, low carb compliant, and it has only few ingredients. So let me show you what we're going to be using. So for this, you're going to be needing half cup of coconut flour. It's already measured out. Half a cup of unsalted butter or ghee or olive oil. It's optional. This is just coconut flakes, just for, to top up. It's optional also. Coconut spray that I'm going to be using to spray the pan. I'm going to be using to bake. You're going to need half a teaspoon of sea salt or any salt you have, half a teaspoon of baking soda, a baking powder already measured out. Here I have Xantam gum and psyllium moss. You don't have to use both of them. I have this just in case you don't have this. You can use this. This is just to help the bread to come together properly. But today I'm going to be using Xantam gum. Like I said, you don't have this, go ahead and use psyllium moss. Here I have 6 eggs, which I'm gonna whisk, until fluffy. You can use a hand mixer, or if you have just the regular non-electric mixer, and then you're good to go. So let's go into doing this. But before that, I want to put on my apron, like my friend requested. She made this, and she likes me to wear it when I'm cooking. So I'm going to put a link below if you want to get something like this. It's affordable, it's beautiful. Let's support the small retailers, All right. So the first thing we're going to be doing is whisking the head. You're going to whisk for 2 to 3 minutes before you start adding other ingredients. Alright, it's 3 minutes. So now I'm gonna add in the butter. Make sure you scrape out everything. It's almost slipping on me. Like a half a teaspoon of salt. And I just whisk just a little bit. Now I add the half cup of coconut flour, the xanthan gum, and the baking powder. And we go ahead and whisk. Okay, so this is good. The next thing, we're going to spray our pan. You could use olive oil spray. And then I'm going to line it with a parchment paper, the baking sheets. And now we transfer our mixture into the pan. Okay, so lastly, this is optional. This is coconut flakes. You could use sweetened or unsweetened, but unsweetened is good, more healthy. Alright, and it's time to go into the oven for 45 to 50 minutes. I put it in the center oven. And we'll be right back to see how the bread turns out. Alright, it's exactly 50 minutes. Look at that, golden, beautiful. Alright, let's give it like 20 minutes and then we're gonna slice it and we see how it goes. Alright guys, it's cooling down, not all the way cool. I'm still gonna leave it, but I just wanted to show you guys the final result. You could see the flakes, the coconut flakes. It's so nice with a beautiful golden color. You see, it's not so cool yet, so I don't want to pull out everything. But anyway, this is how the inside looks. You see that? It's moist, looks like a cake. It's very nice. You could toast it if you want, or you could just add your butter and go ahead and enjoy yourself. All right. Guys, you need to make the, oh, it is so moist. And the flakes is very, very nice. You see why you have to use xanthan gum? Because coconut has a tendency to scatter, but you see that? It's all together. I feel like having a cup of coffee now. Anyway, thank you so much for joining me. Try and give this a try. It's not difficult, very simple. You see how I made it. Follow the directions. I'm going to put all the measurements in the description box below. Thank you for joining me. It's bye from Ogonwadi. Have a blessed month. Stay safe. Wash your hands. Encourage each other. Show love, show kindness. Bye.